It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 2nd of April. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather, temperatures a little bit above average heading into the weekend. By next week, a cooling trend comes in, an increasing likelihood of unsettled weather, and yes, that could spell some rain for us here in the valley. Let's get into it. Yesterday in the valley, 85 degrees the afternoon high, 60 the morning low, the normals 81 and 56. Those record highs now getting up into the triple digits. And outside now, here just after 9 a.m., we've got clear skies out there, 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 23%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning mostly in the 60s to about 70, maybe even the low 70s beginning to pop up now. The upper air look, we've got a trough passing north of Arizona. About the only effect we're going to have in our state will be some wind across the northern portion of the state, and dry conditions will prevail. Temperatures might be a couple of degrees cooler than yesterday, and that's about it. The watch warning map, there's those wind advisories up along the rim, and in northeast Arizona, red flag warnings for much of New Mexico, Colorado. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories extend from parts of Montana and Wyoming into the Dakotas, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, even northern Kansas. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Enid, Oklahoma, up to Wichita, Kansas. And precipitation for the next 7 days. The guys over at the WPC don't have any rain for us here in the valley, and generally under a quarter of an inch for much of northern, northwest Arizona, southeast California, and southern Nevada. But the trends are starting to look a little bit more favorable for precipitation even in our part of the state. We'll take a look at it now as we check out modeling. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There goes that trough, passing mainly north of Arizona, a dry westerly flow aloft, so down at the surface, sunny skies today, high temperatures 80 to 83, that's pretty close to where we should be. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the 50s. Tomorrow, sunny again, highs in the low to mid 80s. Saturday, this might be the warmest day of the forecast period, highs 83 to 86, the sky's sunny. On Sunday, we see a low really beginning to develop now along the west coast. Rain and mountain snow for the coast, the Sierra, the Great Basin, the interior west, but we stay dry, sunny, highs upper 70s and low 80s. The heights fall off just a little bit, so the temperatures will be backing off ever so slightly. The cooling trend continues as we head into Monday with that low now getting positioned off the central and southern California coast. Partly cloudy skies, high temperatures mid and upper 70s. Same thing Tuesday, mid and upper 70s. We may start to see some showers spreading into the state by Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening. They'd be very light and very widely scattered if we saw anything, but just something to note as that low begins to progress onto the southern California coast. On Wednesday, that system is shown to move across the state, and it's looking a little bit more potent, especially off the GFS, but the European is trending this way also. So showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm as this comes through. Although we'll keep the chance of rain pretty low for now, but with more model consistency may have to increase that likelihood of precipitation. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 9th of April. The low tracks through Arizona, cooler temperatures. Still a chance of rain over the eastern part of the state if that verifies. Here we go to Friday the 10th, and that system now moves out into the plain states, going negative tilt as it does. That could be a severe weather look from the Gulf Coast up to the Arklatex region, the Mississippi Valley. And heavy rain possible in those areas. We would be dry with temperatures a little bit below average. And then going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Saturday, the 11th of April. Another system passing through the western states, mainly north of Arizona. Some clouds around, temperatures a little bit below average if this is correct. And maybe the prospect of some precipitation, especially over northern Arizona. All right, taking a look at the temperatures off the national blend of models. Highs, pretty mild over the next few days, mostly low to mid 80s, lows in the 50s to near 60, and then cooling off as we head into the middle and latter part of next week. That'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there, everybody, and you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.